Namaskar, welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD in this daily weather briefing program of 22nd December 2021. In this briefing we will discuss about realized past 24 hours weather over different parts of the country and synoptic systems and weather forecast for next 5 days. So let us begin with the briefing. So highlight of today's briefing is abatement of cold wave conditions from northwest India and wet spell over western Himalaya region and adjoining plains of northwest India. So this is the satellite imagery giving synoptic systems. From this we can see that there is a WD over North Pakistan and never in lower tropospheric levels, and there is a cyclonic circulation over this South Bangladesh in lower tropospheric levels, and there is no significant cloudiness over any parts of the country except over Jammu and Kashmir subdivision. So this is the interactive map available on our IMT website, and the link of this map is given here. You can see from this uh, link. This is available on IMD website, and from this you can find out the minimum temperature scenario, cold wave and cold day scenario over different parts of the country. So here we have given legend also. You can easily see that the temperature range over different parts of the country, cold day and cold wave scenario. So we will give observed weather in next slide. So this is the realized weather during past 24 hours. From this we can say that during early hours uh, or night hours, and this fog realized at 0830 hours IST of today. So dense fog in isolated pockets over North Punjab and shallow fog in isolated pockets over Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand and Saurashtra and Kutch. As far as visibility recorded at 8:30 hours IST of today, this is 50 meter over Ludhiana, and over other stations here mentioned reported in the range of 500 meter each. And today cold wave conditions realized in some parts over Odisha and in isolated parts over Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, East Rajasthan, West Uttar Pradesh, Telangana and Vidarbha. These are the isolated cold wave conditions. Major spell has been awaited today, and yesterday cold day conditions prevailed in isolated pockets over Madhya Pradesh only. So this is the realized weather during past 24 hours, and so we can say that only this Odisha reported a significant cold wave, and fog is reported only at isolated pockets dense fog over Punjab. Otherwise, no significant fog and no significant cold wave conditions prevailed during past 24 hours. So today, Hisar in Haryana reported lowest minimum temperature of 3.0 degrees Celsius over plains of the country. This is the lowest minimum temperature. And now we go to wet spell over western Himalaya region and plains of northwest India. So under the influence of a western disturbance, as already told, as a cyclonic circulation over North Pakistan and Norway at lower tropospheric level, under its influence, isolated rainfall, snowfall, very likely over Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan and Muzaffarabad and Himachal Pradesh on today and tomorrow. And thereafter, two WDs in quick succession likely to affect uh, first from 24th and second from 26th December, uh, likely to influence northwest India. Under their influence, first light isolated to scattered rainfall, snowfall very likely over western region on 24th and 25th, and light isolated rainfall over northern parts of Punjab and Haryana during the same period. And thereafter, under the influence of intense fresh WD from 26th, precipitation activity is very likely to increase further over northwest India, with light moderate scattered to widespread rainfall, snowfall over western region, that is Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand during the period of 26th to 29th December. And there is also a possibility of heavy falls over Kashmir region and Himachal Pradesh on 27th December. And light, moderate, isolated to scattered rainfall, very likely over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan during 26th December to 29th December, and over Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, and Jharkhand during 27 to 29 December 2021. So this is the wet spell over western region and plains of northwest India. So we can say that during the period of 26 to 29, there may be a significant intense spell over these regions. Now, as Ali told that yesterday, only isolated cold wave condition realized over northwest and adjoining central India, and only Odisha reported a significant cold wave conditions. And however, so we can say that no significant cold wave conditions likely to prevail during next 4 or 5 days, except in isolated packets over Odisha during next 48 hours and over East Madhya Pradesh during next 24 hours and abatement thereafter. And as far as dense fog conditions are concerned, no significant dense fog is likely over plains of northwest India. However, on 24th and 25th in morning hours, there is a possibility of dense fog likely over Punjab and Haryana on 24th and 25th, and over northwest Rajasthan on 25th December 2021. And as far as temperature scenario is concerned, gradual rise in minimum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius very likely over most parts of northwest and central India during next 3 days, and then no significant change thereafter. And no significant change in minimum temperature over most parts of East India during next 24 hours, and rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius thereafter. So we can say that during next 2 to 3 days there is a possibility of a rise in minimum temperature over north and central India. And as far as northeast India is concerned, there is a possibility of a wet spell over this region that under the influence of cyclonic circulation over South Bangladesh and neighborhood at lower tropospheric levels, light to moderate isolated to scattered rainfall, very likely over Arunachal Pradesh during next 3 days, over Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura during next 2 days, with isolated thunderstorm and lightning over the region today 22nd December 2021, and also there is a possibility of isolated hailstorm over Assam and Meghalaya and Nagaland Manipur on today the 22nd December 2021. So these are the weather warning maps. From this we can say that except today this possibility of thunderstorm over northeast India, and thereafter on 26th there is a possibility of thunderstorm over this western Himalaya region and adjoining plains. Otherwise, no significant weather is expected over any parts of the country during next 5 days, except wet spell over western Himalaya region and adjoining plains as already discussed. So this is all about today's briefing. It is requested kindly download our different apps, Mosam app, Dalmi app, Meghdut app, and kindly visit our website mosam.imd.gov.in, and also follow us on Facebook and Twitter pages, and also see our different weather videos on our YouTube channel. Subscribe us, comment on it. Thank you. We will meet again tomorrow with another episode of Daily Weather Briefing.